and welcome to Dakota Test Prep question walkthrough. In this video, we're going to be doing a box fill question. All right, what size of octagon box is required for 5 number 12s passing through and 3 number 12s entering, pigtailing, and leaving? As with all things C of Q, we always ask ourselves 3 questions. What is it asking for? What do we have? What do we need? So in this case, what is it asking for? Well, it's asking what size of box, specifically octagon. What do we have? Well, we have our wire size, and we also have the number of wires. So now what do we need? Well, we need to do some math, and we also need table 23. Now, if these wires were different sizes, we would need tables 22 and 23. But when the wire's the same size, we only need table 23. Now, me personally, I like to draw it. I find it just helps. So even though it's an octagon, I can't draw an octagon. So I'm just going to do a regular box here. So it's saying we have 5 number 12s passing through. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful. Now, as with all box fill, anything that's entering and exiting, we count. So we do have 5 number 12s passing through. Now, I'm just going to erase that guy right there. And I'm going to redraw a square box. I know it's asking again. I know it's asking for octagon. I don't know how to draw an octagon. So this part here says 3 number 12s are entering, pigtailing, and leaving. So I have 3 entering. They're going to be pigtailed under Moretz, and then leaving as well. 1, 2, 3. Now, when they are entering, we count them, and when they are leaving, we count them. So we have 3 that are entering. We have 3 that are leaving. Entering. There we go. Because they're being pigtailed, we also have 3 Moretz. But again, we're not allowed to use Moretz. We say wire nuts. So we'll say wire nuts here. Wire nuts. As per code, wire nuts are counted in pairs. So even though we have 3 of them, we actually only count 2. These 2 right here. And it's going to count as 1 extra wire. So we're just going to add these up. 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we have a total of 12 number 12s for this octagon box. Then we head over to table 23, and we want to find octagon, octagonal right there. And we have 12 number 12s. So we just head over. Here's our size of 12. We go down, we find 12, which means the size of box we need is a 4 by 2 and 1/8. And that, my friends, is how we do a basic box fill question.